Welcome back. Good morning from Germany one last time. So today's our last day of our 5-day stay. It's been amazing. I've seen a lot of great sights. I mean, if you didn't see yesterday's video, that Berlin Wall totally blew me away. It's been really nice meeting a few people on the streets, chatting with a few people online from here, and I mean, what an amazing adventure in Deutschland. So tomorrow we're heading down to Prague on the train from the Berlin Central Station, and we're gonna see what that city's all about. So as for right now, I'm gonna go down here, take this S-Bahn back down to the city center. No real general plans. I'm just hoping to randomly encounter some fun stuff. I do have a 18th century fountain on my list for today. So one more time, guys, let's go from the beautiful city of Berlin. Have y'all ever heard of the Big Rosti? I like to go to McDonald's in every country. I had it the other day for dinner, and I mean, it's just one of their burgers with a potato patty, ham, and German beer cheese on it. Whew, amazing. Just had to go in again, get another one. Putting together a little video of McDonald's all around the world. So next up, Prague, ladies and gentlemen. I think I've also decided, I've already ride the train a few times, haven't rode the underground, so we're gonna try it out. We're here at the Friedrichstraße stop, and we're gonna head on down to Alexanderstraße, walk around the city center a little bit. So fun times coming. Let's go. Well, that was a little fail on the underground. Kept seeing U this way, U that way. Could only find U6, so we're sticking with what we know and gonna ride S3 again down to the city center. Should be here any minute. Oh, there we go. All right, and successful trip down to the Berlin city center. Really wish I could have experienced that underground, but that S-Bahn gets you here so fast and efficient. Maybe I should have just stuck with that the whole time. So we're gonna make our way down to this late 18th century fountain, check it out, and see what the sights have here. Oh, the tower. So I looked that up. It's called the TV Tower. It's similar to the CN Tower. It's really foggy up there today. Really nice. We'll walk up here, see what this cathedral's all about. When in Deutschland, so it appears that we have another little Christmas market over here. Pretty big, bigger than the few that we've been to. I mean, what have we been? 3 for 3 on days visiting the Christmas market. It's supposed to be the fountain path, kind of goes through the market. So I think we'll take a little peek in the downtown city center Christmas market. Ooh boy, look at this architecture. This is gorgeous. Doesn't appear that the Christmas market might not be open yet. None of the rides are running. Like I said, it is a little rainy out here in Berlin today. Forecast called for rain from 1 to 3 p.m. and we're sitting about noon and it's coming. So compress the GoPro down to waterproof style. You know how I don't like that. It's kind of like Fisher Price, my first camera in my hand, but gotta make it happen. So here we go. We'll do a little grand reveal. This cathedral up here. Ay, caramba. Look at that thing. Ooh. Where the fountain at? Ooh, doggies. Little bell tower up there. Hoping to hear the bells chime here at noon. Glorious sounds. There you go, Heather. There's that word again. Had the doors open, so I figured I'd dump off in here and check out this little cathedral. Oh, nice. Very nice. Perhaps go up to the top. Keep it quiet on this one. I have a little respect for the gorgeous cathedral. I mean, they have a lot of these just old, beautiful paintings in here. This place is gorgeous. It appears that it is still a working church, synagogue, whatever it may be. Really, really nice. This place is amazing. Truly stunning. Got your candles here. I think we're gonna light one. This one's for you, Granddad. And all the wells that came before me. Matthew, Addison, even down to the Smiths, John Bolton Jr. Nice. This place is gorgeous. Not even very religious. I mean, my mom's Protestant. Never really went to church before. Very cool. Wow. A piece of mosaic art here. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Whew. That was a fun little time right there. Everybody in there being real respectful. Like I said, not very religious, but had to check it out for myself. All right, and we're gonna go 4 for 4 here. Christmas market, day 4. Christmas market every day. This one is one of the larger ones here in the city center, and they have the fountain that we've been looking for right in here. So we're gonna head on down. It's kind of more of the same, delicious German foods and goods. Perhaps I'll find that Berlin hat here and scratch my last little one item off at this Christmas market. Alpaca produce. Cool. A lot of different Christmas goods. You know the deal. Ooh. Delicious fries. It said fries, but those are chips. Learn something new in Germany every day. I saw the Zamboni here, little mini Zamboni, and realized that you can ice skate around the fountain. I've never been ice skating before. I think that'd be a pretty cool experience. Still with, let's see, 57 days left on this trip. I think we're gonna avoid any broken bones with my clumsy self, so moving on. This is Neptune here, Greek god. I heard that the 4 ladies there represent the 4 corners of either Germany or Berlin. Sorry if I'm incorrect on that one. And the music is real. Got a little nativity scene here. And I mean, like I said, theme of this trip till we get to Karachi, Christmas. King Neptune. Got a gigantic Ferris wheel over there. That's something that we could do that's not too dangerous. So, hey look, it's a smaller one, similar to the one that we had the other day. And when you watch Winter Wonderland and you see that little closing where I lost the clip, I did the closing out in front of the grand one of this, and like I said, it was a marvelous, marvelous spectacle, but it's lost to time. Amazing. See this little mulled wine here. Had a gentleman comment, thank you for your comment, sir, thank you for your view, that in Germany at the Christmas markets you're not supposed to drink beer, you're supposed to drink mulled wine. Never had anything like that before. Hot wine, I don't really know about it. I mean, you can't knock it till you try it, but there it is. He also told me I hadn't really followed or visited a proper Christmas market. I gotta say, I'm having fun regardless. Like I said, thanks for your viewership, brother. Take it easy. We'll get us a little something sweet from this booth. Never seen anything like this. It's a whole lot of chocolate covered fruits. We're gonna go for the banine. Oh, yes. Look at that glorious fondue fountain. We got it. It's a white chocolate covered banana. Never had anything like that before, but we're gonna give it a little taste here, right in the Christmas market. So we got the carousel right behind us, and we're gonna give this little chocolate banana a little go here. See what you think. Huh, that is different. I mean, everything I've had in Germany is really tasty, and this one is no exception. So, little booth right there, selling the sweets. The first one I tried to pick out was chocolate covered mandarin. She was nice enough to correct my English and bring the banana. So, That's off to you guys. Cheers. Got a little train set up here. Imagine little kiddies can go around the nativity scene. Hey, I'm a kid today. Can I go on the nativity scene? Christmas market here in city center Berlin. Bells going off behind me. Gorgeous. Should we go? I'm gonna take this little Ferris wheel up to the top, get a little glorious sight of the city from a different vantage point. Haven't rode a Ferris wheel in a long time, and we're gonna make it today. See you at the top. The things I do for y'all on this channel. So the gentleman was looking at me like I was crazy, single rider on a little kiddie Ferris wheel, but who cares? We're gonna have fun. Up to the top, ladies and gentlemen, up to the top. All right. This is called the Willenberg Ferris wheel. So right here in downtown city center, you're gonna get a nice view of all the different surroundings here. And I mean, we're going up. You can see the architecture from a different vantage point. Really cool. Glad I got on this little Ferris wheel. Walked past it a couple times like, I don't know man, it's a little embarrassing, single rider, but worth it. Well worth it. We'll look at the Christmas market from above. Cool. A little plaza down there. Pretty sweet. Left us at the top a little bit. Like I've said before in my videos, I used to have a fear of heights. I think the CN Tower kind of crushed that one for me. Worst I've ever experienced is pretty much not being able to move on the rim of the Grand Canyon. Amazing. Coming back down. And we'll take another rotation. Fun times, guys. Fun times. Man at play. And we survived back down to ground level. Pretty fun. Hope you guys enjoyed those sights and sounds up there. Amazing little ride. And that's it. We survived. Christmas market number 4, day 4. Ooh boy. What a fun time, guys. What a fun time. Not sure what else this little area has to offer, but I'm gonna walk down here and see what we can find. A lot of different storefronts around here. A lot of shopping, a lot of food options. See this little dome building up here? Can't really see it behind the building, but I'm gonna go up there and see what it's like. Berlin, I'm gonna miss you. I mean, when I made this trip plans and decided that Berlin was one of the stops, I really didn't know what to expect. I mean, I knew that German food was delicious. Never had the authentic in the country style, but I mean, been blown away by this trip. Me and Heather are talking about coming back, doing a little Hamburg, Frankfurt, Southern Germany tour next year. Can't wait, guys. Can't wait. Ay Dios mío. Look at this thing. That is a dome if there ever was one. Unfortunately, can't make my way over there. This busy thoroughfare. Not seeing any crosswalks. Seeing a couple of other nice old architecture buildings down here. Rain's picking up a little bit, so I think we're gonna make our way back the way we came. Had a nice new subscriber yesterday recommend the Bundestag to me building. It's the old Reichstag building right by my hotel, so I think we're gonna go over there and try to get a little action. Potentially the art museum in front of us. And I mean, I just crossed the street finally, found a little pedestrian crossing. Gonna go over there and check out that glorious front gates there of this little church. And I mean, you can't see the statues, you can't see the Christ depiction artwork up on there. Whew, I feel sorry for you. This is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Getting a little closer, and the closer you get, the more amazing that it is. You see the Ukraine flag flying strong up there. Seeing a lot of support for Ukraine here in Germany. Good job, guys. Good job. Nice little statues out here. Really like this one. Looks like cavalrymen taking out a lion. Cool. And just when you think Germany can't get any better, you turn the corner. Thank you, my man. And here it is in all of its beauty. Unbelievable trip. Totally unbelievable trip here. Hoping the next stop promises to be just as amazing, just as fun. Here we come, Prague. Let's go. We'll look at the river here down in the city center. Look at this wrought iron everywhere. Jesus. Filming that little river scene. Saw a little graffiti down here. Inner city Berlin graffiti. Finally. Look at this tunnel, y'all. Hope it doesn't get too dark in here. If it does, I'll just turn back around. Oh, baby. Yes. Talk to me now. Oh, got a little dark in there. Sights, amazing. Knew I was gonna run into a little graffiti spot eventually, and here we are. Thank you for tuning in. Wicked. Every time you look another direction, something pops up. Man, that S-Bahn is really nice. Survived our little trip down to the city center here on day 4. Got somebody pushing on past me. Thank you, ma'am. And I mean, amazing. What an amazing trip here to Germany. I'm going ahead and give my review on the public transit system here, and I mean, it's amazing. I was able to get around very well. Did have that little snafu with the underground. Not been able to find exactly where that was, but I mean, still amazing. Comparisons, still gonna have to go with Netherlands because just a lot more in English, a lot more people there to help you out. So Germany, you're doing good. So far number 2, Netherlands, still number 1. So this was an amazing time out in Germany. Really appreciate you guys for following along. I mean, like I said, this page is growing every single day and I really appreciate it. So heading off to Prague tomorrow, gonna take a nice little train. I think that'll be our first video, is the train ride over to another battery snafu. So like I was saying, Germany, amazing time. I would definitely be back. Like I said, we're gonna tour Berlin a little more, Hamburg, Frankfurt, and the southern part of Germany, me and Heather together. So guys, whew, appreciate you so much. Berlin, love you. Coming back, I mean, amazing. So till the next time, guys, take it easy and peace from Berlin one last time. Got a little bonus footage here. So couldn't let go, couldn't get out of the country without having just one more of them glorious, delicious bratwursts. And I mean, like I said, the food here in Germany, amazing. Chef in me wants to go home when I get back from this long trip and just try to cook it all myself. So cheers, Germany. Delicious.